originally, I shared a dressing room with Esther Fields, Jenny Goldstein, anybody else I wrote? Me. I knew that there was another dressing room upstairs because Molly Pecan would not mix with the riffraff. And one time I came and they told me, I can't use that dressing room anymore. I have to go upstairs. Okay, I always followed orders. Here I am, 8, 9 years old. What am I going to do? Argue? So I went upstairs. There was a tiny little dressing room with a little sink in the corner. Fine. And then we're doing the stuff. We're doing our show. And between shows, the movie goes on, and my mother came over to me and she said, come on, let's go get a soda. My mother hated giving me anything with sugar in it. And here she's taking me out for an egg cream. Now, if you want to explain to the Massachusetts crowd what an egg cream is, I'd be happy to do that.
Please.
It's actually a chocolate soda with milk in it, but the seltzer comes out of a machine, I don't know what you call it, so that it's all fizzy and really quite delicious. But as I say, my mother never I was kind of chunky, and she never would take me for ice cream or something. So, okay, boy, I'm going to go for an egg cream. So we leave. Then I found out that the Gerry Society had come to inspect. Now, the Gerry Society was a group of people who made sure that underage children were not working without. You couldn't get working papers unless you were, I think, 14 or something. And so they were the group that they had heard that there was a child in the theater, and they came to find me, and I wasn't there. I was having an egg cream in the candy store.